Racial profiling refers to the discriminatory practice by law enforcement officials of targeting individuals for suspicion of crime based on the individual's race, ethnicity, religion, or national origin, rather than on objective evidence or specific suspicion. While the specific legal framework can vary by jurisdiction, these cases are typically analyzed under the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, or federal statutes like Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which prohibits discrimination on the basis of race, color, or national origin in programs and activities receiving federal financial assistance. Legal challenges to racial profiling often require demonstrating the following elements. Number 1, disparate impact or treatment. Number 2, lack of objective justification. 3, intent or purpose. 4, harm or injury. And 5, official policy or custom. Examples of racial profiling include, but are not limited to, the following. Number 1, traffic stops. Police officers disproportionately pulling over drivers of certain racial or ethnic backgrounds without valid reasons or evidence of traffic violations. Number 2, airport security. Subjecting individuals to additional screening or questioning solely based on their race or ethnicity, rather than on behavior or credible security threats. Number 3, stop and frisk. Law enforcement officers disproportionately targeting individuals of certain racial or ethnic backgrounds for stop and frisk searches without reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Number 4, retail profiling. Store employees or security personnel targeting customers of certain racial or ethnic backgrounds for increased surveillance or suspicion of theft without evidence of wrongdoing. Number 5, housing discrimination. Landlords or housing providers refusing to rent or sell property to individuals based on their race or ethnicity, or subjecting them to different terms or conditions compared to other applicants. Number 6, immigration enforcement. Authorities targeting individuals for immigration enforcement actions based solely on their perceived race, ethnicity, or national origin, rather than on legitimate immigration violations. Number 7, school discipline. Schools disproportionately disciplining students of certain racial or ethnic backgrounds for similar behaviors compared to their peers, leading to disparities in suspension, expulsion, or involvement in the juvenile justice system. Racial profiling is a form of discrimination and violates individuals' civil rights, perpetuating systematic injustices and eroding trust between marginalized communities and law enforcement or other institutions. The fight against racial profiling is an ongoing challenge that requires a multifaceted approach, including legal, policy, and community-based strategies. Efforts to eliminate racial profiling and ensure equitable treatment for all individuals, regardless of race or ethnicity, are critical to upholding the principles of justice and equality in society. If you have been racially profiled, call our office now.